Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Pirates of the Caribbean Jolly Mon. It's going to be a pretty short update this week because for the last few days, the only thing that I've been doing has been rigging. So taking a look at where things are right now, most of the lines are in place. They're not finalized, but they're in place. For the straps, what I did is I cut two little slits right between those bottom two planks, and the straps actually L into that, so they are hooked, and then they're also glued to the sides of the boat. Same thing on this side. I think that worked out pretty well. I just need to go back and paint them up now. And you can see here, these are the deadeyes I ordered, so I was able to get the shrouds installed. And those are a Model Expo item. They've got them labeled as 5mm bullseyes, and they really look great. I mean, nice finish, good clean work on them. I also picked up, you can see here, I've got some belaying pins, and those are another Model Expo item, these guys here. And also nice, they give you plenty to work with, so if you drop one or two, it's not a problem. And got those tied off, got the ends of the rope just kind of down there at the bottom. It's not the neatest, but it's not supposed to be. And up top here, I've got the rest of the lift lines done, and I've got the clue lines started. I've got them tied off and through the blocks on the yard. And I just have the rest of the white ends hanging out. And keeping the working lines white has actually worked out pretty well so far. I've surprisingly not confused myself on where I left off the day before. So I've still got to finish off those, and I also need to add the rat lines to the shrouds. I haven't decided if I'm going to add the flag to the top or not yet. Right now I'm kind of leaning towards building this to represent what it looked like right before Jack stole it. So it'll have the stuff in it, have the sail furled, but yeah, let me know what you think. That's where I'm leaning. I'm like 70% that direction. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about is I got my weights in. And these are kind of cool. There's a bunch of different sizes. I'm going to be using, I think, these two, and I think that's going to give me plenty of weight to work with. But moreover, when I put them down, they're small enough that they can be concealed in a crate or a sack or a basket or anything like that. And I can even kind of get it under there and have it almost completely out of the way. But with them in place, this is really nice and bottom heavy now. I think even adding the sail to the top with those weights in the bottom, it's not going to be in any danger of falling over. So I'm much happier about how sturdy this feels now. And really that kind of wraps it up for this week. So going to be finishing off the rigging. Got to make the sail, got to make the rudder, and I got to make a few things to go floating in the bottom. And once that's done, I will give the final paint and weathering. So a fair amount still to do, but I think I'm going to be able to get this wrapped up in the next few days. So I'll have another update next week. You can check back then, and thanks for watching.